Fun and Geeky!
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Flight 238 with service to Hawaii. We are expected to be in the air in approximately 5 minutes' time. Please fasten your seatbelts at this time and ensure all baggage are kept either underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments.
Lisa, quick sit down and fasten your seatbelt.
Alright, Dad! I'm so excited!
Ready for takeoff?
All ready.
Let's proceed to runway 2.
Copy that.
Gauge, flight controls, radios, pump, trim.
Set.
Alright, path in front of us has cleared. I'll turn next. Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff.
Woo! Dad! We are in the air!
Yep, we are now traveling up and into the clouds, so that we steer clear of buildings and any other obstructions below.
Dad! My ears feel funny! Ouch! Ouch! It hurts!
I guess it must be the pressure. Here you go, Lisa. Try chewing on this sweet and keep swallowing, alright?
Thanks, Dad! I feel better already! Oh no! Daniel's ears must be painful too!
Don't worry, Lisa. Mom has already prepared for this.
Here you go, Daniel. Good afternoon, passengers. This is your captain speaking. We are currently cruising at an altitude of 35,000 feet. The weather overall looks good today, so we should have a smooth flight. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the flight.
Daniel, what are you doing? Shall we color together? Let me first take a marker. Coloring time! Yay!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are experiencing some turbulence. Please return to your seats and fasten your seat belts. Lisa, quick sit down. You might get hurt if you're standing while the plane is shaking.
Alright, Mom.
Ma'am, the seatbelt sign has turned on. Please return to your seat.
But I need to go to the bathroom.
Cabin crew, please be seated. Ma'am, you need to return to your seat now. It is not safe.
I just told you, I need to use the bathroom.
Woo!
Woo! Woo! Ah! Ah! Dad! I'm scared!
Don't worry, Lisa. Try to breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. I'm here with you, alright? You're safe with me.
It's okay, Daniel. It's alright. Mommy's here. Mommy's here with you. Ladies and gentlemen, our plane had earlier ran into several air pockets, which had caused some slight turbulence. We are currently in the clear and should experience a smooth journey from here. Enjoy the rest of the flight.
Ouch! My head! I think I hit my head!
Ma'am, are you alright? Let me help you to your seat. And please ensure you fasten your seatbelt. It is unsafe to move around the cabin, especially when the seatbelt sign is on. Alright. I feel so giddy now. Oh my, let me clear this up as well.
Lisa,
Yes, Dad.
so you see, it's very important to fasten your seatbelt, especially when the seatbelt sign is on.
Yes, Dad. I hope the lady is okay though. She seems to have hit her head quite hard earlier.
I hope so too, Lisa.
1 hour later.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have begun our descent into Hawaii. Please ensure your seat is straight up and your seatbelt is fastened. Please secure your carry-on items and stow away your tray table. Thank you. Cabin crew, please prepare for descent. Hi ma'am, do you still want this? Oh no, you can throw it away. Thank you. You're welcome. Let us put away your markers and coloring book as well, alright? Alright, thank you so much. Oh Daniel, why did you spit the pacifier out? You'll still need this, especially now.
Lisa, another sweet?
Thanks, Dad. You're a lifesaver, especially to my ears.
And mine too. I have more sweets in my pockets if you need any more. Descending 100, 90, 50, 40, 30, 20, stall.
Ladies and gentlemen, Toca Airlines welcomes you to Hawaii. The local time is 5 p.m. in the evening. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisles clear until we are parked at the gate.
Woohoo, Dad! We are here! Hawaii, here we come! Thank you for watching! For more videos, please click on the red button below to subscribe.